Today we are going to discuss about the small intestine. Basically, small intestine is 6 meter long, and if we talk about the foot, it is 20 foot long, and if we talk about its diameter, so it is about 22.5 centimeter. So, like where it is located, if we talk about the location, that is esophagus, like it is a rough structure, and this is a stomach. The junction of the small intestine as well as the stomach, that is a pyloric region, that is a pyloric end, that is a junction between small intestine and the stomach. So basically the small intestine part starts from the duodenum, the pyloric region, and basically the small intestine is divided into three parts. It is divided into three parts. First is duodenum, second is jejunum, and third is ileum. So it is divided into these three parts. And if we talk about these all in the detail, so if we first of all let us talk about the duodenum. Basically, duodenum, we say it is a curved part. How it is a curved part? We can say it is a C shape, or it has a C shape or the band part. Why it is called as a band part or the C shape part or the curved part? Because like here it is, its shape is just like a C or a band, or we can say a curved part. So that is why we are calling it as a curved part or the C-shaped part or the bent part, because it is a first part, and basically it is the smallest part of the small intestine. It is the smallest part of the small intestine. And if we talk about every part has its own length as well as a diameter, like foot as well. So if we talk about its duodenum, so it is 25 centimeter in length. And if we talk about its diameter, it is 5 centimeter. Totally it is 2.5 centimeter like a small intestine, but the duodenum part has a 5 centimeter diameter. And the meaning of this the word duodenum is basically the 12th finger of the 12th finger breadth in length. So that is basically the meaning of the duodenum, that it is a 12 finger breadth in length, and it has a 25 centimeter in length, and it has a 5 centimeter diameter. Now if we talk about the second part, that is jejunum. Jejunum, not confirm about the spell, but it is a jejunum. So it is a highly coiled part, as you can see in the diagram. Like it is a highly, I cannot draw it properly, but it is a highly coiled part. It is a highly coiled part. And if we talk about its meaning, like as the duodenum meaning is the 12 finger breadth in the length, so its meaning as the jejunum meaning is a hunger. But if we talk about like exact meaning, what's the exact meaning? That is empty. But sometimes we take hunger as a meaning of the jejunum, but exactly it is empty. And if we talk about its length, so it is 8 foot. It is 8 foot in length about the jejunum. Now if we talk about the third part, that is all over the like anatomy, not a complete physiology. So now if we talk about the third part, that is ileum. Ileum is basically, it is also a highly coiled part or highly twisted part, and its length is about 12 foot. That is its length, ileum length. And as I said, the duodenum is the smallest part of the intestine. Similarly, the ileum is the largest part of the small intestine. It is the largest part of the small intestine. Why we call it as a small intestine? Because it is means its diameter is less than the diameter of a large intestine. That is why, but in lengthwise, small intestine, the length of small intestine is more than the length of large intestine, but we consider them as a diameter, like the diameter of small intestine is less, so that is why that is called as a small intestine.